In this video, I'll be talking about 5 best free Adobe Photoshop alternatives. And there are some quite interesting softwares in this video, software that can perform different functions and tasks. Without further ado, let's get into this video. In number 5 is Photo Post Pro. This software is an amazing software. It has hundreds of tools and functions. It's not the best software out there, but it's a pretty decent software. If you don't do much editing and you only need it to tweak up your photos and pictures, then this software could be perfect. It has a basic feature for tuning up pictures and to make it look much more cleaner, and it's also easy to download. If you want a much more advanced feature, you might want to check out other alternatives in this video, but this is a very easy to use software. Moving on, in number 4 is Krita. Krita is a professional, free and open source painting program. It can be used to create concept art, texture and a lot of design. It's not only an alternative for Adobe Photoshop, but also an alternative for Adobe Animate. It's easy to download. It's available on Windows, Linux and Mac. To download, just make sure that your system meets up with the system requirement. And to check download versions, you can drop down the download version too. To help build the software more, you can donate to build the software so that it can be much more easier and fun to use for other creators too. In number 3 is Pixlr. Pixlr is an online photo editor. It is divided into two, the Pixlr-E and the Pixlr-X. The Pixlr-E is an online and advanced photo editor, while X is a quick and easy graphics design tool. It has the basic features of Adobe Photoshop like layers. It has pre-made templates and features that you can use. Also, you get the free blank template if that's what you want. It has collage maker, which can help you divide pictures into collages, and it also has the background remover tool, which most of us use a lot. It can remove the background of an image. Filters are also available. You can increase the warmth and the coldness of the picture or whatever design you want to adjust. You can as well sign up or log into your account. Very much easy to sign up, and the mobile app and the desktop app are available. You can check up video tutorials from their website directly if you are having any trouble getting started with it. It's a very easy software and it's very much easy to learn. Photopea is one of the best alternatives on this list. You can basically create new projects. You can import projects that are Photoshop file, Illustrator file, XD file, Sketch, PDF file and different materials. You can create new projects. You can select your size, and there are also pre-made templates that you can select from. If you don't want to use any of the pre-made template, you can create your own template. It looks and works almost the same as Photoshop. Documents and files are divided into layers. You can adjust and edit information in the layers. It has the basic taskbar and the sidebar that is available on Photoshop. You can export your files in PNG and SVG format. This would have been in the top if it were to be an application that you can download on your system. But however, it's an amazing online software. Before we talk about the first one, here are some honorable mentions. Paint.net is an amazing alternative. It does look a little bit old, but it works just fine. 2. CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is also a very decent software used by a lot of people. And at the top of our list today is GIMP, which stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's a free and open source image editor that works on all platforms, which means it's available on Linux, Windows and macOS. It's an amazing photo editor. It can be used to create designs, adjust photo. It does almost everything Adobe Photoshop does. It is used in high quality photo manipulation, artwork creation, programming algorithms, and it's used in so much more. It's a very easy to learn software. The interface is really nice, and it's a very easy to download program as well. It's available on BitTorrent, or you can also download it directly onto your laptop or PC. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below which of the softwares you use, and subscribe for more updates on Adobe Photoshop. And I'll see you in the next one.